Advancement of digital phase of product design. 3D modeling and quick drafting. In this phase, we first made 3D model for better visualization and understanding by using computer-based applications. Then we create drafting in same application assisted by pre-made 3D model for successive manufacturing actions. Part drawings example. Assembly drawings example. Civil drawings example. All examples mentioned in last 7 slides are of digital 3D modeling made by computer-based applications and 2D drafting assisted by these 3D models. All such kinds of designs has outputs. For 3D, native application file extensions like .prt, .asm, .drw, etc. Neutral 3D file format like .iges, .step, etc. Graphic formats like .obj, etc. 3D manufacturing formats like STL, 3MF, etc. For 2D, native application file extensions like .dxf, .dwg, etc. Neutral file format like PDF, JPG, etc. Manufacturing activity. The major manufacturing activities involved: raw material processing through primary operations, material processing through successive operations, final processes like finishing or assembly. Machines involved in manufacturing processes are of 2 types: manual or hand operated, automatic or operated by programs. In case of automatic machines, we have to create a program having manufacturing instructions and machine will perform desired operations as per program. Application of different output formats. PDF. Used for drawing data sharing. No special paid application required. DXF DWG. Used to create toolpath for machine instruction programs. Used by machines as toolpath support files. Editable only in supported applications, mostly paid. Free viewers also available. IGS step. Having 3D object information. Used to create toolpaths for machine instruction programs.